Today we are going to continue profit and loss exercise 12.3 page number 160. In this exercise we will learn how to find the cost price. If profit is given, then cost price will be less. For less we have to subtract it from selling price. Selling price minus profit. If profit is there, then our cost price is less. For less, we have to subtract it from selling price. Similarly, if there is loss, then our cost price will be more because we have purchased it for more amount. So for more, we will add loss to selling price. You keep it in mind, for loss, cost price is more. So we have add it to the selling price. Using these formulas, we will start the exercise 12.3. See the first question. Find the cost price if selling price is given rupees 375. Then profit is given. Profit is, how much is the profit given? Rupees 3.30. 3 rupees 30 pies. Now see students, now profit is there, that means our cost price is less. So cost price will be SP. First of all you write the formula. Cost price is SP minus profit. So SP is 375 minus rupees 3.30. You can stretch a rough column here. Here you can do the subtraction. 375.00 minus 3.30. That is 371.70. Understood all of you? From here 1, 10 minus 3 is 7. 4 minus 3 1. 7 will as it is, 3 as it is. So that is rupees 371.70. This is the answer. Now on B part, in which loss is given. Selling price is rupees 1350 rupees and loss is given rupees 114.75. See students, what is the selling price given? Rupees 1350. Loss is rupees 114.75. Now tell me students, if loss is there, then cost price will be more. For more, we have to add this loss to the selling price. So cost price will be SP plus loss. So what is the SP? Rupees 1350 plus rupees 114.75. You can add it 1350.00, then 114.75. Add it 74641. Rupees 1464.75. Is it clear? These two formulas we have used in these sums. We have to learn these formulas. Now regarding this exercise, I have already sent it in the campus here. You write the question neatly in your classwork copy. Now next question. Come to the second question. We are having 1 to 4 questions in your syllabus. Question number 1 to 4. You mark it. Now come to the second question. Students, see the second question. Hari earned a profit of. That means profit is given. How much is the profit given? Rupees 1875. Then by selling his goods for, selling means selling price. How much rupees he has sold? Rupees 19,300. 19,300. We have to find its cost price. Cost price. Now see, profit is there. So cost price will be less. For less we have to subtract. SP minus profit. So write it here. Rupees 19,300 minus rupees 1,875. Now here you can write it 193,00.00 minus 1875. Subtracted students. 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, 12 minus 8 4, 8 is here, 1 here. Rupees 18,425. Understood all of you? See, profit is here, selling price is given, selling price, that means cost price will be less because we are having a profit. So we have to subtract it. Now come to question number 3. Farmer sold a washing machine for. Sold means selling price of washing machine. Selling price of washing machine. How much is the selling price of washing machine? Rupees 3,175. Then at a loss of. Now he is selling it at a loss of rupees 250. Now we have to find the cost price of the machine. Now there is loss. Loss means cost price will be more. Cost price will be SP plus loss. When we suffer a loss, when we have brought it for more amount. So we can add it rupees 3,175 plus rupees 250. Now add it here. 3,175 plus 250. From the back you have to write 5, 12, carry 1, 3, 4, 3,425 rupees. No paisa, then you can write 0.00. Is it clear all of you? A watchmaker sold a wristwatch for rupees 375. That means selling price of wristwatch is 375. Wristwatch, you know, the watch which we wear on our wrist. Then he earned a profit of. Profit is 35. Find the cost price of wristwatch. That means cost price will be more, less or more. There is a profit. Cost price is less. For less we have to subtract. 375 minus 35. That is rupees 340. Students, with this I have completed exercise 12.3. Note the questions from the campus care. Thank you students.